In this video, we're reviewing Benzinga Pro, a powerful stock research platform built for traders and investors needing real-time market data, news, and analysis. Check the description for platform links. Benzinga Pro is renowned for its speed and accuracy, delivering breaking news, real-time alerts, and in-depth analysis. It's designed for active traders, day traders, and anyone needing fast, actionable insights. A standout feature is the real-time newsfeed, delivering breaking news instantly. Unlike traditional outlets, Benzinga Pro focuses on actionable content, from earnings reports and analyst upgrades to regulatory filings. The Squawk Box, a live audio feed, broadcasts market-moving news, keeping you ahead of the curve. For visual learners, there are real-time charts, stock screeners, and advanced filters to quickly spot opportunities based on your criteria. The customizable newsfeed lets you focus on specific sectors or stocks, ensuring you receive only relevant updates. The calendar tool highlights upcoming events like earnings reports, economic releases, and corporate announcements, crucial for timing trades. A premium subscription offers audio alerts, advanced charting, exclusive content, and expert interviews. Benzinga Pro is a top-tier platform for serious traders needing fast, accurate information. Whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or long-term investor, this platform provides the tools to make data-driven decisions and stay on top of the market in real time.